Hi everyone, my name is Brittany and I was the 2019 recipient of the Imagine Lectureship Award through BioCanRx, where I was given an opportunity to develop a talk about patient engagement in research. And so through the Imagine Lectureship Award, I was very privileged and grateful to be mentored by Dr. Harold Atkins and Louise Binder while developing my talk. And so the talk that I gave was about the value of patient-researcher partnerships from the trainee or HQP perspective. And the title of my talk is Why Patient Engagement is Here to Stay. And through it, I articulated how when you involve patients in the research process, it improves the entire end-to-end drug development process. And so I think the messaging that it's here to stay is even more critical now in 2022 than it was back in 2019 when I first gave the talk. And so I really commend BioCanRx in continuing the legacy of the Imagine Lectureship Award and really promoting patient engagement or patient-centric drug development processes. And it's truly through involving patients in that process that we can really improve the lives of people living with cancer or people living with any disease in general. So I encourage everyone to take a patient-focused approach in the research, and I look forward to seeing the 2022 Imagine Lectureship. Thanks.